Impeachment court is aware of those kinds of sentiments. However, we also have to ensure na tayo ay tumatalima doon sa rules. Yung rules of evidence natin at saka rules of court na supposedly applicable at saka yung ating Senate impeachment rules. So kahit gusto nating gawin na parang ordinaryong ano lang to, investigasyon na katulad ng mga napapanood natin, hindi po ganun kasi ang court processes. Napaka-formal po ng court process, kaya tayo bilang publiko sumisilip lang tayo sa gantong court process. So while they are free to say those sentiments and opinions, however the court has to uphold the rights of all parties, and part of the ensuring na may due process at yung karapatan ng respondent din ay kinikilala natin yung pagsunod doon sa laws, rules at saka rules of evidence na nakalagay po na in-issue ng Korte Suprema. So medyo it's a hard balancing act, no, pero siguro ang magagawa lang talaga ng korte moving forward is to exert more effort into try to ask the parties to stipulate on matters na medyo wala namang ganong contention yung both parties. So, kunwari, as to the identity of the witness or credentials of the witness, baka pwedeng hindi na step-by-step na tanungin ng taong ng counsel na nagrepresenta, baka pwedeng sabihin na lang, can't you just stipulate that he is an NBI regional director? Tapos para ganon, can't you just stipulate on his qualification na parang 10 years na siya na sa NBI? Example lang yun, na in general ko lang sinasabi yun. So I think that also can save some time para mas mapabilis yung proseso.